Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So if you're interested to see what I do on her hair, keep her hair full and growing, to keep her roots healthy, keep watching to the end. Now let's get started with this video. I'm gonna start with getting clean pot, put it on the stove. Next, I'm gonna get a coconut milk and pour it inside my pot. Now I'm gonna turn the fire on to warm up the coconut milk. Who knew we can add coconut milk on our hair? But yes, coconut milk is a natural fatty acid, which means it gives our hair strength with moisturization. Here I'm just stirring up the milk to just warm up the milk. I'm not trying to cook the milk, but if I leave it under the fire for so long, it's gonna start making bubbles. So to avoid that, I'm just gonna stir up the milk as it's warming up. Now that my coconut milk is warm, I'm gonna get my onion oil and add it. I already posted a video of how I made this onion oil. I'm going to link it above or put it below in the description box if you're interested. After turning off the fire, I'm going to transfer this into an application bottle. If it's too hot, you have to let it cool off for a few minutes before using it. Now that our poo-poo is ready, it's time to put this on my daughter's hair. The first thing I'm going to do is to spray some rosemary water on her hair just to soften up her hair. Now that this section of her hair is detangled and soft, I'm going to get my poo-poo, shake it very well, make sure that the oil and the mix are mixed together very well before putting it on her hair. And I'm going to make sure to put it on her scalp first, then put it on her ends and all over around that section of the hair. If you're enjoying this video so far, please consider pressing the like button for similar videos. The reason I love this poo-poo is because of the onion oil added into this coconut milk. The onion oil strengthens hair roots, fight against any bacteria that the hair may have, and promote hair growth. If the scalp is not healthy, the hair is not going to grow. So with the benefits of onion oil added into the coconut milk, these two together is just fantastic. If you feel like your scalp is not as healthy as it needs to be and your hair is dry and needs some moist into it, this is the poo-poo that you need to use. As usual, I like to do her hair in sections to make sure that I touch every part of her hair. Next, I will cover her hair with a plastic bag and let her sit with it for about 15 minutes or so before we continue with our regular wash day routine. Before shampooing her hair, I always make sure to massage her scalp because I don't get to massage her scalp every day. So this is the opportunity for me to massage her scalp. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that I was able to show you or teach you something, anything. If I was, please consider pressing the like button. Share this video with someone that you know that will enjoy this video. And why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. And remember, subscribing is free, so subscribe now. Thank you. Bye.